For cleaning facilities, adequate facilities suitably designated should be provided for cleaning food, utensils, and equipment. Such facilities should have an adequate supply of hot and cold potable water where appropriate. Okay. Now, ito po yung tinatawag natin na mga cleaning area. There should be a separate cleaning area for cleaning your tools and utensils. In the company that I used to work for, meron kaming separate area for washing of sticks, yung ginagamit sa pagkukuk ng hot dogs and sausages. So, every time na matanggal yung mga hot dogs and sausages from the sticks, they're collecting it in a stainless bin, and then they bring it outside. We have a sticks washing area there. Meron kaming dalawang machine to wash the sticks. And kahit na may machine na, we still have manual scrubbing of the sticks so that kapag ginamit na ulit dun sa filling line o sa stuffing line, malinis na malinis yung sticks. Okay. In another company too, there is a separate area for washing of crates. Well, some companies have a crate washing machine, but when I see that it's not feasible, hindi pa rin naman natatanggal ng maayos yung dumi na nakakapit dun sa crate, so it's better to do it manually but by using pressure washers. So, meron din pong area for crates washing facility, and then meron din pong area for washing of pallets. So, hinuhugasan din po yung pallets from time to time. So, on a weekly basis, lahat po ng empty pallets, hinuhugasan to make sure lang na bago po gamitin sa warehouse, malinis po lahat.